Hello ladies and gents, I am here today to prove to my adoring boyfriend that I can wash his car in under 5 minutes, and he has agreed to let our precious, cute, sweet,
smelly, drooly,
little,
farting,
perfect man sleep in our bed forever. Are you ready?
Alright, let's do this, bring it on!
Oh, I'm bringing it.
And go!
What's my time?
4:49.
Woo! Yes! Suck it! I win. I win.
Yeah, I'm not going through with it.
What?
You did a nice job on the car though. Maybe next you could dry it and buff it?
Oh really? You think that's funny? How about that?
This doesn't bother me. It's hot outside. This is refreshing.
How about that? How about that?
Stop it! Stop it! This isn't funny!
Oh, I think it's pretty funny.
Oh, I'm cool. I'm cool. Somebody's gonna get hurt.